Welcome back to Pentay Spotlight. I'm Grace, your friendly neighborhood Did I Wake Up in 2035 skeptic. You know how every morning you scroll through way too many tabs, news, memes, and probably some group chat drama before getting out of bed?
And I'm Joshua, the guy who thinks today's to-do list should magically appear before coffee. Turns out Google heard me, or my aura, or maybe both.
Today we're talking about a new experimental AI assistant from Google Labs called Cece, and its job is basically to replace your morning scroll. Think of it as a personal briefing that shows up in your inbox every morning with a summary of your day ahead.
Yep, Google's CC AI agent, built on Gemini, looks at your Gmail, calendar, Drive, and even bits of the web to craft a personalized daily summary called your day ahead. So instead of endless swiping, you get a concise snapshot of your meetings, tasks, important reminders like bills to pay, all in one email.
Nice. Finally, a morning briefing you can read before coffee stains ruin your shirt. But seriously, it doesn't just list your schedule. CC can also draft emails for you, add calendar links, and prep little actionables, so you're not staring at your phone like, now what?
This is similar to tools like ChatGPT Pulse, which also sends a daily briefing. But CC works right through Gmail. No separate inbox, no weird new tab to check, just AI sliding into your inbox like that friend who always knows what your day looks like.
But heads up, CC isn't rolling out to everyone yet. It's currently available to paid early access users in the US and Canada, and there's a waitlist you can join if you want in.
And before you go, AI, control my life. Remember, it doesn't send emails on your behalf or change appointments on its own. It suggests drafts, adds links, builds summaries, but you're still in the driver's seat.
So the dream of waking up to a calm, organized morning instead of scrolling into oblivion might finally be real.
Whether you love it or miss the chaos of your lock screen newsfeed, this is a clever twist on how AI meets your daily life.
That's all for today's Pentay Spotlight. Stay curious, stay caffeinated, and maybe let AI handle your mornings before you handle your coffee.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because your day ahead just got smarter.